Do you need to be able to remove your Saab 9.3's rear bumper splitter, either to repair it or change it for a different style one? Stay tuned, let me show you how. First, with an 8mm socket, remove the little screw just under here that holds the splitter to the wheel arch liner, just behind the rear wheel. Then, just each side of centre, with a 10mm socket on an extension, remove the two plastic nuts that hold the splitter to the bodywork just around the wheel well. Now we'll retire to my damaged rear bumper that an uninsured driver smashed in for me. You can see more clearly here, these are the recesses where it was fixed to the body in the middle. This curve fits against the spare wheel well in the boot, and this is where the fixings are at the sides to the wheel arch liners. There are 15, I think it is, clip features. This is the main body of the bumper, this is the splitter, and they're clipped together. So all you need to do is push the clips back through and out from the main body of the bumper. Do that all round on all 15. A pair of pliers or possibly a large flat screwdriver may help. And that's it, the splitter is separated from the main body of the bumper. When you're putting it back on, but start in the centre. This here is a locator and fits through this slot, located just off centre, like so. Off of the locator, through that hole first, and then the clips will follow and push the clips in from each side. Actually, it's a lot easier to do when the main bumper is on the car than it is when it's just sat on the ground, because it's so floppy. Here's an Uncle Cyd top tip. I found on my front splitter, after I'd refitted one, that these clips, which are exactly the same, have a tendency to pop out at the slightest provocation, like if you touch a curb or even just driving along on a bumpy road. So here's a tip to keep it together. Drill a little hole through the clip, 3mm, no bigger, and take a small tie wrap, 2.5 or 3mm, put it through the hole and tighten it down. Try and make sure that the clip feature is either on the top or the bottom, and I found that helps to keep the splitter on. It stops the clip popping out through the hole. If you got value from this video, please give it a like down by the title, and I'll see you next time.